1 Minute English.
In this 1 minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some different meanings for turn around. Turn around means to move to the opposite direction. For example, the car was going the wrong way, so it turned around. Turn around also means to make something unsuccessful become successful. For example, business is really bad. How can we turn things around? Sales turned around after the new phone was released. Turn around can also mean to complete something in a particular time. For example, the factory can turn around many orders in a day. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using turn around and leave it in the comments below.